You're in a hurry, Miffy. Where are you going?
To Poppy Pig's house. Poppy's taking me and Grunty on a nature hike.
Oh, you should save some energy for all that walking then.
But this is running. I've got loads of energy for walking.
If you say so, Miffy.
Ah, here's our last nature hiker.
Hello, Poppy. Hi, Miffy. Hi, Grunty. I can't wait for a lovely long nature hike. Is it a very long way?
Quite long, but that's what makes it fun. There's so much to see along the way.
Where are we going?
Wherever the mood takes us, Miffy. Then we follow the map and it will lead us back home in time for lunch.
Lunch? What are we waiting for? Let's go. Poppy, what will we see on our nature hike?
Why don't you use the binoculars and have a look? And Grunty, see if you can spot where we are on the map.
Wow, I can see so far. There's a bird in a nest. A green caterpillar. And Grunty. What else can we look for, Poppy?
All sorts. Tell you what, why don't I think of some special things we can look for along the way?
Oh, like a treasure hunt?
Exactly, Grunty. Let's think. I know. A stripy shell, a spiky leaf, and...
A feather. A fluffy feather.
That's a good one, Miffy.
And I'm going to be the first to find them all. Not if I get there first. Ooh. Look, Grunty's shells. Oh, yes. Let's see if we can find a stripy one. Stripy shell. Oh, Grunty.
Oh, that was close. Always keep hold of the map, Grunty. We needed to find our way home.
Oops, sorry.
But well done for being first to find a stripy shell.
I think I found who lives in it too. Oh, look. Goodbye, little snail. Oh, it's so windy. Oh, Miffy, your ears are trying to fly. Ooh. Ooh.
Hold on a moment, girls. I'm not quite sure where we are. So, we came up this way, which means we should be heading towards...
Oh, Poppy! Oh, the map! Oh, no! Look, Poppy, you found a spiky leaf. Yay!
Well done, me.
We found a stripy shell and a spiky leaf.
But I'm afraid we've lost the map. It's blown away.
Oh, no. Does that mean we're lost too? How will we get home?
Oh, don't worry. I'm sure we can think of a way to find my house again.
We can ask someone the way.
I can't see anyone to ask.
I know. We can use the binoculars to find your house.
Good thinking, Miffy.
There's the bird. And there's the map. Quick, if we can get the map back, we can find our way home. Come on. Oh,
Follow that map!
that way. Oh. Nearly. This way. Come on. Oh. 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 There it is. Oh. Hooray! Ooh. Yay!
Well done, girls. That was excellent map following.
Oh, yes. We did follow the map, and it led us back home, just like Poppy said. I like nature hikes, but I like getting back home too.
Especially in perfect time for a picnic lunch.
A picnic! Yay! Yay! Yummy. Wow, following maps makes you really hungry. Hey, that's my strawberry. She, little bird. Oh, a feather. I found a fluffy feather. The last thing to collect.
Well done! Now we found everything, including our way home.
There's only one thing left to find. What's that? A friend with ticklish feet. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle.